Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost talent in Deepwoken. To begin, you need to prioritize boosting your character's agility and willpower attributes. A crucial step is to achieve a minimum of 40 agility points. This foundational investment is essential, as the ghost talent will not become available without meeting this specific agility threshold. Keep an eye on your stats as you progress through your adventures. Next, you need to secure 3 very specific prerequisite talents. These are Swift Rebound, Evasive Expert, and Risky Moves. It is equally important to avoid selecting certain other talents, such as Observation or Safety Dance, because they are mutually exclusive with Risky Moves and will prevent Ghost from appearing. Carefully choose your talents to ensure you meet all the necessary conditions. Once you have the Ghost talent, its activation is straightforward. Whenever you successfully dodge an incoming attack from an enemy, your character will briefly become invisible. However, be aware that this invisibility is temporary and will instantly cease if you initiate any attack. Mastering this timing allows for strategic repositioning and avoiding damage during intense encounters. The Ghost talent offers several significant strategic advantages. It is incredibly useful for evading multi-hit attacks, which can often be devastating. Furthermore, Ghost provides an excellent opportunity to disengage from unfavorable fights or reset the combat flow, giving you a moment to plan your next move. Ultimately, it serves as a powerful utility for escaping perilous situations and enhancing your survivability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.